How to download YouTube videos. Sure, I will help you with this request. The good news is you can download any of your uploaded videos on YouTube. First, I will show you in just seconds how to download YouTube videos on a smartphone, and after that I will show you how to download YouTube videos on a computer. If you are using a smartphone instead of a computer, just open the YouTube Studio app, which you can find for Android and iPhone users, and at the bottom you can locate content, then select the video that you want to download and press on the three dots and then press on save to device. Now, as the video was successfully saved on my device, let's move on a computer to show you how to do the exact same process but on a computer now. First will be to open youtube.com and click on your profile icon from the top right corner area of your screen, then press on YouTube Studio. Once you reach your YouTube Studio, on the left side of the screen you can see the menu. Here you can locate content. I will press on it, and here you can see all your videos which are public or on private. Furthermore, you will just have to locate the video that you want to download, and in my situation, let's assume this is the video that I want to download. With your mouse on the video, then you will see three dots which will appear right after. Press on those dots, then you can locate download, press on it, and the downloading process of the video will just start right after. If you are using Google Chrome, you can press Ctrl and J to open the download history to open the location of the video. I really hope this information was handy and helpful to you to download any of your videos from YouTube. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment, will be much appreciated. Have a wonderful day.